we're here in Canggu gonna make some jewelry. This is something that I've wanted to do for the longest time. I haven't worn a cross in years, and I'm so excited to show off my faith again. So let's make some jewelry. It's gonna be interesting. Just look at all these options.
From the moment we walked in, there were just so many options of what we could make. The possibilities are endless. But as I said, I'm here on a mission, and that mission is to make a cross. First, we got our teacher for the day, and we started by melting the silver. The experience is just so amazing, and I especially got to enjoy it because if you've been around since the very beginning, you'll know that I used to work on cruise ships, and no, I never really went into what I did, but I was selling jewelry. It started off with Pandora, which is all crafted with silver, funny, but I quickly moved on to fine jewelry, you know, the diamonds, emeralds, rubies, and all the other sparkly stuff. And although I was very good at this job, I hurt my back, and some unexpected and unfortunate events came up that I couldn't go back to working on the ship. So I decided to become a digital nomad. It's just so crazy to think that I was selling thousands and thousands of dollars for so long, and now I finally get to see how this jewelry is made. Yes, I'd always known the process, you know, I'd watched videos, but watching a video and making a piece for yourself, those are two completely different things. It's so fascinating to see how through every process you put the silver through, it becomes even more beautiful. And you can't really see the end product from the beginning, which makes the skill level that these jewelers have just extraordinary. It makes sense that the store that I used to work at charged so much for the fine pieces that they have with their intricate designs and many different kinds of diamonds, you know, like the chocolate diamonds and pink diamonds. And it takes a lot of skill and time to make something. I mean, how much more time would have taken to set each diamond in place had I even decided to put anything in this cross? And this took hours to make.
I see you.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Why is it so hard? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, wow.
It's not gonna break? More?
I think we've complicated things.
Funny how I went from selling hundreds of thousands of dollars to filming videos about making jewelry in Bali. Sales is such a tricky thing to learn, but I got really good at it really quickly, and in fact the savings that I accumulated from the commission is what I'm currently using to travel. So I'm very thankful for the past that I came from, and who knows, maybe one day I'd go back to sales. It's a fun world.
Yeah? Other side? Yeah. I know, it's exciting!
It looks like a square.
Yeah.
And then they will cut.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it, yeah. I love it!
Learning how to sell is like learning a superpower. It not only allows you to show the value of a product or service, but also builds lasting relationships. These skills are necessary for business and personal growth to boost your confidence, improve negotiation skills, and resilience. The art of selling opens the doors of opportunity. So the process that we used to make these pendants was pretty complicated. We melted the silver down, flattened it out, and then we used part of it as a very thin bar, and the other part we turned into a wire that we then twisted and then connected to the bar, which we then cut and connected into our cross. Absolutely beautiful, but very complex. I can only imagine how much more complex it would be to create a ring or a pendant that had diamonds in it. Like, I just can't wrap my head around how long it would take to achieve that. Amazing.
Okay, so we swap?
Okay.
Okay.
Is it already on?
Yeah.
Use the camera here.
Yeah, 360, virtual reality.
Ah.
Yeah!
finally we can polish it out, and then that's it. This is our final product. It's beautiful. I love it. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comments below. But I hope to see you in the next one.